So now I can stop the Rumble video. So we're gonna go away from the laptop for a sec. We're gonna go away from the laptop for a sec. Cause we still gotta do this other part of the video. But let's go ahead and look at that video quality though. Let's see what it looked like on Rumble. Show y'all that studio quality real quick. Give y'all a little sample of what you're missing on Rumble. Yeah, looks like we got a decent quality video. That's what's up. We'll get this ready to go on Rumble. What's today's video theme? Oh yeah, February update. It's a good video though. And shout out to that Rumble video. I'll have it posted shortly after I get through doing what we finna go do. Then I'll come back and do that later. Rumble gonna be like, man, where Popcorn at? He posting the video late today. You know how it be sometimes. Yeah, but good product is worth the wait. Then Rumble gonna be like, well, damn, we didn't even get the green room part. Shouts out to me not worrying about being a indoor garden consultant full time on Rumble, cause hell, it happens. All right, y'all see where we back at now? We back in the green room. Shouts out to the green room. Because it's time to come in here and put in some work. I know y'all like to do that part of the video. It's like an hour and 30 minutes into the video. Just now showing some plants. Shout out to me, your favorite indoor garden consultant. Because, we got to put in our. See what I'm saying? I got to give y'all some information. Because the garden is the easy part now for the people that's been around. But, for the people that's still new, we got to run you through the handbook anyways, right? Right. So we've already got balls in the buckets for the few that we're getting ready to transplant today. We're going to get our class with rooted plants right here as seen to be in their final pot so we can keep them popping, right? We'll have 5 of them that in a couple more weeks should be ready to go into flower. Shout out to that because we're going to be putting this one into flower, which was the mother. We're going to go ahead and throw that into flower probably in another week. Get some nice secondary tops down there, so we're going to let those develop a little bit more, then flip them. That way we got some bud sites, right? Shouts out to increasing our bud site count because, we're going to make sure we're going to maximize this one plant since it'll be in there by itself. We're going to try to make it look good this time, right? Shout out to the strawberries. They looking good today. I swung them around so we see the other side. I cut some of those damn runners and seeing if I can get those to go ahead and catch new roots and keep running, as they say. Shout out to them strawberries. That's what they do. So, I'm trying to keep up with cutting the clones so we're actually getting something as far as when they're ready to start producing berries. Shout out to the berries. Then we got these dragon fruits over here. Like I said, one of these days on the cultivation channel, I will be doing a transplant. So, I'll be getting those ready for these individual cells so I can sell them individually on site. Because, hell, I didn't start them for you, so therefore you can just take it and grow the rest of the way, right? For those who want to accept the project, we got the pre-started projects for you. Shout out to the dragon fruits because these are going to be huge within the next couple of years and doing their thing. So, that's why I'm going to be selling them to people because I ain't trying to grow them